Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at Reef Finance. We'll have a look at some of the key statistics first and then do some price analysis, have a look at some potential areas that you could invest and some targets going forward. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So let's get started, and we will start on CoinMarketCap and have a look at some of the key statistics first, and we'll jump over to TradingView and do some price analysis. So as we can see here, Reef is currently ranked 190 out of all cryptocurrencies. We have a token price today at 0.03456. It is currently around 3.4 cents. The maximum supply here, as we do know, is 20 billion, but ignore the circulating supply rate. It's currently around 11 billion. We do have the Binance Smart Chain, and also we have the ERC20 supply, so ignore those statistics up there. It is a much higher than that. One key point we need to look at though is the all-time highs. Scrolling down here, we did it 5.4 cent. We are 36% down from that. That's nothing to worry about. I know there's a lot of FUD around the project, but the entire market has pretty much shit the pants, and everything started to drop down, so I wouldn't worry about that. Reef has not pretty much gone down with all the FUD. I mean, there's been that much FUD, you would have expected it to drop lower if it were true, and it is not true, so ignore that FUD. Reef has got some cracking partnerships, so I think things are looking good. If you are looking to get hold of some, Binance is a main place there. It is getting around 75 of the entire market volume getting traded against USDT and BTC. If you are not on Binance, you are looking to get hold of some Reef, then you'll find a link in the pinned comment and the description. So that is just a brief run over some of the key statistics. We'll jump over to TradingView and do a bit of price analysis. So here we have Reef versus Tether. This is a weekly time frame on Binance. I'm just putting up the weekly to start off with. As you can see, we only have data back to the 28th of December, so it is hard to analyze this as in support and resistance levels, because everything we've been doing is pretty much price discovery. So as you can see, we do not have much data there, so we will drop down into the daily time frame. Let's get rid of that previous TA. This green line here is some daily support that I did identify a few weeks back, and for chances are we could come back down to here, but I mean the market does look quite good at the minute. We are bouncing back from that BTC dump from around 55-56k. So I mean, you could say currently on the daily time frame we are forming a downtrend, so the chances are we could come up to retest this trend at around 3.6 cent and continue down to this daily support, but I mean that is very, very low. The markets in general are bullish. I mean, we are in a bull cycle in my opinion from pretty much March of last year when BTC had that COVID dump. Everything's been on the up, and I do think that bulls are in town, and I do think that we will start pushing at some point. We need to remember that we can't always keep going up. We must have retracements, and retracements are healthy for the growth of projects, and that is no exception for Reef. So currently we are trending down. I mean, let's just take a look at this as the entire move here. If we put the fib on, say this is the start of a move here, up to the top, we have done a significant retracement. I mean, we nearly dropped down to a full retracement on the daily from that move, but we have used this 0.786 fib level as a support level. We did not close below that, so you could say that is potentially the bottom that we will see from this from Reef here. So that could be the bottom. We may come down to retest that again. That is 3 cent exactly, so if you're looking to place some orders, that could be a good level to potentially place some orders there. So let's get rid of that fib, because that is as area identified. What you could also say is that we are forming a bit of a bullish triangle. Things actually break up out of these and also break down. So I mean, you could say we are coming to, I mean, over the next few days we are coming to a bit of a point where we could actually break up from this. So that's what I'm looking for, a break up. I mean, you could even put it down on them levels and extend it a little bit further, but it's totally up to you. Personally, I try to go from body to body rather than wick to wick. So that is a potential setup there that we could break, hopefully to the upside, if the market does allow. So you do have a buy zone there. What I'm going to do is also drop into the 4-hour time frame, because if I'm looking to trade, I do most of my trading in the 4-hour time frame. So If you are looking to invest, then you could potentially look at this setup here, from top to bottom. So if you are looking to invest, usually the 382 level is a nice level to place some orders around here, so that could be 0.032. But we also have a 6818 level, which is pretty much within this area, around 3 cents. So they are two areas that we could potentially target. I mean, we could pop down, and then we could also pop back up and start to retest some of these higher fib levels, but I think that's what we need to do. I mean, we could also do this, we could come down and test this 618 level and then pop up. So that is a potential scenario. But if you're looking to invest, around 3.2 cent or 3 cent on the nose could be some good areas to target. So that is that. What we need to do looking forward though is have a look at some targets that we could hit. Let's just drop back to a daily time frame. And have a bit of a zoom out. So this is the all-time high line here. I'll just drop it down a bit. That was 0.056. Let's put the fib on here. We'll go from the top to the bottom, and this will give us some Fibonacci extension levels. So we have a 1.272, and then there's 1.618, which are my preferred extensions on the fib, and then we have some a lot further up there. But I do think that the first major target is breaking through 5 cent, which is around here. It's on the 0.786 level as a retracement level, so I think that could be the first major target, and some natural pretty much psychological area of resistance to break through. I think once we do break through that, then we will be targeting all-time highs, and then we can target 6.5 cent, 0.76 cent, and then the ultimate target really is pushing up to 10 cent. I think once we get to 10 cent, a lot of people will try to front run your sell orders. So if you're looking to sell and take profit, bang some orders in around 0.099. I think you could potentially fill some sell orders around those prices to potentially have a pullback and then go on and retest some new highs. So once we do break above here, we're in all-time highs, but 5 cent is a first major target. So that is a USDT pair. If we just take a quick look at the BTC pair, because I know some people do trade in BTC, I do personally as well now. So let's just have a scroll down. I've got a first target on there of 200 satoshis, but let's just have a quick look at this, see how we're doing. This is a daily time frame, so we'll drop to the 4 hour. Yeah, that's a bit better. So if you're looking to invest, we can use this move here. As you can see, we have started to push up now. And things, when we go up, as you can see here, we pushed up, we retraced. We pushed up, we retraced. Pushed up, retraced. So, I mean, we are in a downtrend, so you could say we may start to retrace it if Bitcoin does go on a bit of a run and take it out on the BTC pairing. So here we have a 382 level, which is 67 satoshis, which could be a nice area to fill. And also we have 62 satoshis. So if you're looking to invest or trade in BTC, then I think those could be two decent levels for you to get in. My major target though here is breaking through 200 sats. We do have this all-time high in satoshis as well, which is, yes, that's the all-time high was 122 satoshis. So that we'll just mark that up as the all-time high. Bang that there. So that will give us a first major target to break through at 122 sats. When we do break that, we will have a major target of 200 satoshis. If we get to 200 satoshis or 10 cent first, that will then give me some more data, and I will do some further price analysis on Reef. So that is going to do it for today's analysis on Reef. That is just some simple TA, some potential buy zones and sell targets if you are looking to trade the asset. So that's going to do it for today. If you do have any questions, then jump into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. Please make sure you do like this video, that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.